What happens when one of the two holders of a joint safe deposit locker dies, leaving a nominee, and the locker has a survivorship clause? That's what we are going to discuss today in the Market Secrets investment series. Before we get started with the today's session, I'd like to mention that we at Market Secrets have recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you are someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's jump into today's session. So let's start with the assumptions. Okay, this is a joint safe deposit locker. So this is in a joint holding, and one of the two joint account holder dies. Okay, so one is dead and one is alive, and there is a nomination available for the dead person. Okay, and lastly, the account also has a survivorship clause. So these are the assumptions. And now, what are the documents that we need to make the claim? Account holder's death certificate. That is the only document that we actually need. So once the death certificate of the deceased is available, the second holder, right, the joint holder, they can submit a letter to the bank and they can take the access of the locker. Okay, so that is what generally happens. So they can write a letter and submit it to the bank and they can get the access to the locker. Okay, so what happens is like the bank will come with you to prepare the list of items in the locker. So when the surviving holder opens the locker for the first time, right, so they'll come with you and they'll prepare list of items available in the locker. So this is to avoid any future legal issues. So if there is any future legal issues, right, this list will come in handy and it will be helpful for everyone. So bank will prepare this particular list when you open the locker for the first time after they provide you with the access. Okay, and since this joint account has a survivorship clause, the access will be only given to the surviving joint holder. Okay, so only the second holder, right, they will get access to this particular joint safe deposit locker. Okay, no one else will get the access. Okay, so they'll not give access to the nominee, they'll not give access to the legal heirs of the deceased person. The access will be provided only to the surviving joint holder because of the survivorship clause. So this surviving joint account holder is liable to the legal heirs of the deceased. Okay, so that is always going to be the case. Okay, even though the locker control is completely given to the joint holder, he has to work with the legal heirs and settle their dues. It's his responsibility. He is liable whenever the legal heirs make any claim to this particular locker. So this is what happens when a joint safe deposit account holder dies, leaving a nominee, and the joint account has a survivorship clause. So if you have any queries, comments, or feedback about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Also hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.